Hello and welcome to today's Simplygon tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to use aggregation with visibility culling. This is the model we are going to optimize. If we look at the wireframe, we can see that we have cups on the upside and cups down here. The cups that are on the bottom part will not be visible at all from the outside, and the cups on the up side are only partially visible. So we select our assets, then we go to the Simplygon tab and click Add Load Component. Template Advanced Aggregation. I'm checking also Select Processed Meshes. We are going to go into Visibility Settings. Here we are going to specify Visibility Camera Mode. We are going to select Sphere. That means that our cameras will be created around the object in a sphere fashion. If we find that the sphere we create is of too low resolution, we can use sphere fidelity to increase that. We are going to check Cull Occluded Geometry. That means that the areas that aren't visible will be removed. Now let's process the asset. Here is the output. From the outside we really can't see any difference. But if we look on the inside, we can see that the cups on the bottom are now removed, and some of the cups are removed from the top parts, and others have certain areas of them removed. That's all for today, and this technique is really useful when you want to LOD zero optimize things in your game world, because there is probably a lot of hidden surfaces that you can remove from your game. Thank you for listening, and bye bye.